Hi, we're Group 2 from the course SI622, Needs Assessment and Usability Evaluation. Our team includes Nicholas, Nick, Yutong, Sanguine, and Percy. The client we are working with is Spring Rocket. In the following time, me, Percy, Yutong, and Sanguine will be presenting our project. Spring Rocket is a food delivery service currently mainly serves college students and business people in San Francisco, Berkeley, San Diego, California, and Seattle, Washington. Customers can order food from Spring Rocket either by their website or by their mobile phone application. The food is with Spring Rocket delivery drivers who are moving around the service area. Once the customer places an order, the nearest driver will be notified to deliver the food to the customer. And this is how Spring Rocket makes fast delivery. Now, let me introduce James Westbrook, who is a graduate student, busy, health conscious, and loves to exercise. Every time when James uses his little spare time during exercise after his morning class, he seldom has great amount of time to have some quality food in local restaurants. He needs something fast and also healthy. Then Spring Rocket could be the best choice for James. Within a few clicks on his smartphone, he can have Spring Rocket's healthy food delivered real quick.
Methodology. We conduct 5 research methods during this process: interview, survey, comparative analysis, heuristic evaluation, and usability test. So the first one, interview. We interviewed 5 people, which 2 of them are undergraduate students, 1 graduate student, and 2 business people. They all have ordering food experience before. The aim of the research is to discover what the general attitude of our target users are about every aspect of food delivery service. Survey. We got 62 valid responses. 29 of them are college students, 41 of them are full-time employers. Rest 9 people are part-time employers or self-employed. We aimed to see the variance in different groups of their food attitude towards the price, speed of the delivery, and other aspects of the food delivery. The comparative analysis. We listed 5 competitors in the process: The Asbrick, Monterey, Caviar, Postmates, and Grubhub. We aim to find out the advantages and disadvantages from competitors' comparison. Heuristic evaluation, which is an inspection method that involved 5 evaluators who are our team members examining interface of website and judging its compliance with recognized principles. Usability test. We recruited 2 undergraduate students, 1 graduate student, and 2 business people to do the test. We asked them to do the 3 tasks which cover the major functions of Spring Rocket on both website and mobile application. We aim to find out the different severity of the usability problems through this test.
Through these methods, we uncover 5 important findings. The first finding is that we found the pop-up error message when in a bad location. The duration of the pop was too short, and the text in the error message were unclear. We've learned this from previous heuristic evaluation, and also discovered this kind of error to hinder our users during the usability test. Our recommendation is Spring Rocket should put the error message in a more centralized location that's closer to the user's eye gaze and interaction with the system. In addition, we suggest that the pop-up message should last longer, and we believe that Spring Rocket should revise their error message to ensure that the text could help the user identify and recover from errors. Our second finding is the user is not able to edit their order on the checkout screen. So when users want to add or drop any item, they have to leave the checkout screen and go back to the main screen to edit the quantity to the number they want. Our recommendation is to allow users to edit their order on the checkout screen. Possible action could include revise order, cancel order, and so on. These changes will allow users to save time by staying on the same screen. The third finding is that all users did not notice or use the large order link at the bottom of the page when they want to place a large order. When users were asked to place a large order, all users attempted to use the plus and minus buttons to get enough items. All users did not notice or use the large order link at the bottom of the page. When users attempted to add a large amount of items that exceeds SpoonRocket's capability, an error message popped out on the screen that indicated the order was not possible. Somehow, for the customers, it is frustrated if not knowing how many items they could order. Our recommendation is SpoonRocket should place the large order link at the top of the page on the navigation bar, where the user is more likely to see it. In addition, when the user is adding items to an order using the regular user interface, and the maximum number of the items is reached, the system should stop the user from adding more items and provide feedback that encourages users to use the large order feature.
Next finding is that users try new restaurants when they have reliable information about them. This finding is from our interviews and survey. In the interviews, 3 users out of 5 said they researched restaurants before they ordered delivery food from them. Also, from the survey, we learned that online reviews, word of mouth, and coupons highly in aiding their decision to try a new restaurant. So we recommend that SpoonRocket can encourage visitors to try its meals by including a link to SpoonRocket's Yelp page on their website and distributing some sort of coupon such as Groupon. The last finding is that SpoonRocket's brand mission, fulfillment, and consistency are not strongly represented throughout the website. SpoonRocket features an About Us section that highlights the brand and mission of SpoonRocket, but these points are not further emphasized throughout the website. In contrast, SpoonRocket's Tier 1 competitors, Spring and Moontree, both have clear brand missions and identities that are enhanced through content on their website. So we recommend that SpoonRocket emphasizes its brand mission through content on their website. For example, since SpoonRocket's mission is to make people happy by delivering delicious meals made with fresh ingredients at the speed of light, SpoonRocket can put some images of meal ingredients or information about where the ingredients come from on the main page of the website. However, there was a limitation of our project. In the findings and recommendations, we present not only the highly severity usability problems, but also some branding and marketing problems. However, since our most method and topics are around the usability of the website and the mobile application, our recommendations are mostly focused on UI elements that SpoonRocket can add to their website. Therefore, as SpoonRocket plans to expand their business to new areas and wants to appeal to prospective customers, SpoonRocket could look for other solutions that can enhance their brand power by consulting our findings. This is all of our presentation. Thank you so much for having us, and we hope our findings and recommendations will be valuable to your business.